Hey guys, what's up? CT out in the garage. Today is going to be awesome because we're going to continue to work on getting some of this metal out of Rusty's floor. Some of the stuff that we didn't get a chance to do the other day when Dennis was here. So let me get you inside, get a closer look, and we'll see what's happening. All right, let's see what we're getting into here. We got my little door stopper here. Got a dust mask. We got some cool vintage safety glasses I found at the flea market. Gloves. I picked up a cutter wheel. Try that out. I mean, it's a grinder with a cutter wheel on it. Harbor Freight, 20 bucks. You know, it's a good idea to have one with a cutting wheel and one with a grinding wheel. It just makes it so you don't have to keep changing the wheel. But we are going to get this lip off here. This is what remains of the floor. Got lip all the way around. We're also going to grind this weld and one on the other side and try to get this pipe up. So, and whatever else we can get to today. All right, stay tuned. I got this interior panel off so we could get a little better access up in here. This must be the blinker switch. But this thing is fighting me. It's seized on there with rust. So I'm just gonna have to keep banging away at it, but we may be able to disconnect this part. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna keep working on it. And I'm gonna keep working on getting this lip off. So stay tuned. Well guys, the other side came off a lot easier. This one is, they got their welds a lot harder on this side for some reason. And before I chew it up anymore, I guess I'm going to see about getting a spot weld drill bit and see if that'll help pull these out better. I mean, it's not a huge deal. This piece is pretty rusty anyway on both sides, so it's not like I'm trying to keep it perfect, but you know, there's no reason to screw it up any more than it is, because we'll probably be keeping that on there for quite some time. This part anyway, so we are reusing this part for now. We've got to get this off. This is the remaining lip on the floor, so I'm going to order that bit. Hopefully that'll help a little bit, and that'll be it for today. It's Mother's Day. Gotta spend some time with the mama, so you guys have a great day. See you later. Check out all the rust. That just fell off while we were doing that. Wow, holy rusty. Man, look at that. That's a lot of rust. See you guys. Now check this out. Dennis brought a shifter over for me. It's in pretty good shape. That'll make a good replacement. I guess later on they put these notches here. But I've ordered a new plate too, so. Alright guys, see ya.